Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to share with you how to make a simple pork broth or stock to keep in the house for easy use whenever you want to make noodle soup or vegetable soup. Alright, so I have 1 kilo of pork bones, the big bones like that, and it has the marrow here. It's very nice. So about 5 pieces, and I have ginger here. So I'm going to go ahead and branch the bones first, and then we can come and take a look what are the other ingredients to make a nice and sweet broth. So I have a water in the pot which is going to boil now. Alright, and I'm going to put in the pork bones. We're going to blanch the bones first just to get a nice and clear broth. So I have ginger. I'm just put in the ginger. Cover the lid and bring it to boil. Alright, the soup is boiling, you see? You know, when the meat is raw and when we cook it, it will have all this impurity or the blood, right, flow out. So I'm going to just continue to boil for another 1 or 2 minutes, and then after that I'm going to remove the pork bones from the pot. Alright, these are the pork bones that we branched it just now. So these are the ingredients that we are going to cook the broth, the pork broth. I have 200 grams of white radish. I have removed the skin and cut into pieces. 3 pieces of cilantro roots, about 5 cloves of garlic, 1 thumb size of ginger cut into slices, 1 tablespoon of white peppercorn, and half tablespoon of salt. And for the peppercorn, I'm going to put it in the tea bag. Make like that, and now we can go and cook it on the heat. And I'm going to put in about 3.5 liters of water. This is 3 liters, so 3.5 liters of water. We're going to put in the pork bones. Put in the salt, white radish, and the other ingredients, the pepper, the garlic, cilantro roots, and ginger. Alright, that's all the ingredients. I'm going to give it a stir a bit just to dissolve the salt. Cover the lid and bring it to boil. Alright, the soup is boiling, and now I'm going to reduce the heat to low heat and set the time for 2 hours. After 2 hours, we can come and take a look. Alright, I have been boiling this soup for almost 2 hours. Just 1 more minute to go. Let's take a look. Oh, time's up also. Look at the soup. The meat almost fall off the bones. So I'm going to drain out all these ingredients, and then after that we can leave the soup to cool and keep it in the fridge. Alright, so I'm going to leave this to cool, and then after that we can keep it. Alright, the pork broth is already cooled down. I have left it for about 5 to 6 hours, so it's completely cooled down. Once it cooled down, the oil will form up on the top surface, and it has a little bit of bubble. So we are going to use a spoon or the strainer to scoop it off. Try not to break the oil, because if we break it, then we will not be able to remove it. See, this is the big chunk of it. Okay, I have used the spoon to remove, I got this much of the oil, so I'm going to try to use the strainer to just lift out all this white color bubble. Can you see the oil? Alright, we have removed out as much as the oil floating on top of the broth. Now we can put it in the container and keep it in the fridge or freezer. So I'm going to divide it and keep it in the bottle according to the amount that I want to use for cooking for the next dish. So I'm just going to put it like that. So for the balance, I'm going to put it in this glass bowl and I'm going to put it in the fridge. Alright, that's a simple way how to make pork broth for your delicious soup recipe. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends and remember to subscribe for more of my variety cooking like this. Thank you and bye bye.